What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be discussing the annual ownership cost on my 2019 AMG GTS. If this sounds interesting, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, link below. First thing on the list is the brakes. Thankfully, we have not had to replace these yet, so $0. Next was the winter tires, and those were $1,700. They are the Pirelli Soto Zero winter tires, and they work fantastic. The next thing was service B. I didn't have to pay for service A because they did the service for me when I picked it up for free. So the first service that we had was service B, and I went to the actual Mercedes dealership to show you guys how much you should be paying maximum, and that was $845. Yes, it's expensive, but you can always go to like a good Euro shop and they'll probably charge you like half the price. So gas is actually the most expensive thing to help maintain and run this car. Monthly payments for gas is around 300 to 400 bucks a month. It obviously depends on how you drive, whether that's in Sport Plus mode, race mode, comfort mode. It's gonna be a lot. In the city, I get like between 14 to 16 miles per gallon. If I drive on the highway, it's more like 18 to like 21 miles per gallon. If you're in race mode, oh, say goodbye to your fuel economy. And now another thing was the summer tires. The car came with Pilot Sport Cup 2s, but I don't use those. Ride quality is really bad, and basically because it's a track tire. The summer tires that I do use is the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's, and those were around $1,900. All right, so the next thing I wanted to talk about was the insurance cost. For insurance, I pay $290 a month to insure this freaking machine. That's a lot, and I basically have a clean driving record. Another thing is that the car, there is no monthly payment. I bought it out, and for a good reason, and I'm gonna save that topic for a future video. That's all you guys are getting for today. So in summary, brakes $0, winter tires $1,700, summer tires $1,900, gas 300 to 400 bucks a month, insurance 290 bucks a month. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Peace.